pretty much got Spectre Classics, no, well, not Classics, they're ceiling mount system sensors. So, yeah, got a new thing. So this is my near Hobby Lobby. Yeah, so pretty much around here there is horn strobes. I haven't seen a pulsation. It has a Bosch annunciator keypad. So yeah, sprinkler system today for this building. So yeah. Yep. And they got that. So, yep. It's not a really bad system. It's pretty clean. Yeah. Piece of annunciators right up front. Buy flowers. Oh, if you want some jalapenos?
Attention Hobby Lobby shoppers, Mr. Wellens, your art is ready in the frame shop. Mr. Wellens, your artwork is ready in the frame shop. Thank you.
Yep. Pretty much I don't know what type of model it is for the alarms, but I know it's system censored. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, so haven't seen a PlayStation at all. I feel like the BG12 or like some. I haven't seen it. I think the only like activation is the sprinklers. So yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. There's that. So